Okay, we're now third example. So welcome back, grade 11s. And again, this is to supplement what we're doing in class. So hopefully we've got some good questions going there as well. Well, hopefully, because I'm recording this before we're seeing each other in class. But we're revising our exponent laws here. Nothing new just yet. Now we've got quite a lot of things going on here. We've got a multiplication and a division. Now, if we're dividing, what we can think to do is to do tip and times. So instead of writing that as divide, we could write multiply and then turn that around. So let's do that. I don't want to do too many things in one step here. So 3x squared y to the minus 1 times 2x over y cubed times y to the negative 2 over 12x cubed. And with exponents, you'll hear me say this quite a lot. There's so many options and ways to tackle this. I think the easiest that I see right now, and I might change my mind tomorrow and look at another route, but I might think, well, we're multiplying fractions, so let me write, and let me do this like this. Let me write this over 1. So at least everything's a fraction. I know that I'm going to have to multiply all the numerators and all the denominators. But what we can do to save ourselves a bit of time, no, let's just multiply all the numerators and then see how we could maybe save some time. So on the numerator, we've got 3 times 2, so that's 6. We've got x squared times x to the 1, well, that's just x cubed. Y to the minus 1 times y to the minus 2 is y to the minus 3. And we could do the same in the denominators. 12x cubed, y cubed. 12x cubed, y cubed. And now we've just got one fraction, one term in the numerator, one term in the denominator, that we can simplify and go, well, 6 over 12, that's 1 over 2. X cubed divided by x cubed, well, that's just 1. Or you might think, hey, those kind of cancel each other out because x cubed goes in here once, x cubed goes in here once. And then we've got y to the minus 3, the last part, y to the minus 3 divided by y cubed. Well, I'm just going to use my exponent laws. Minus 3 is y to the minus 6. In other words, we can write y to the 6 in the denominator. And that seems like a fairly reasonable approach here. Alternatively, we could have looked at cross-cancelling here. So we could have said, wait, 3 goes in here once and it goes in here 4 times. 2 goes in here twice and it goes in here once. But it starts getting quite messy. So there's our 1 over 2 that we had in the final answer. But it was a messy way to get there. We've got x squared times x is x cubed and then seen that it cancels over there. But again, dangerous that we could miss something and it's getting quite messy, whereas this way wasn't too bad. So, yeah, pick which one's going to work for you. I think this method over here seemed to work quite well for me today. See you in the next one.